Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today you'll see that we opened the rocket, and today we're going to be figuring out how to make a tornado. Okay, so we technically already put the spinner in. You see it? Okay, you see this. And now I just spin it. And as you see, from the top, you'll see it making a tornado. You see it? And then it starts going down, and all it breaks. Isn't it cool? Let's go big a little for better view. It is so cool. And boom. And you can see it's actually made with some coral. What if we just roll it back? It'll stop. But if you over-roll it, it will break. So your legs will keep careful. So now, since it's there, we just do that. And look, it'll start forming as you see really good. You see it? Dang! It just goes in twirls. Well, that's all guys I wanted to show you. Bye-bye!